makakatapat niya sa elections?
Tingin ko wala namang iba kundi si former Vice President Leni Robredo.
Aha.
Pa rin ang strongest pwedeng i-field ng namin nasa opposition.
Okay. Pero ano to, sir? You bent on pursuing her or convincing her talaga?
Yeah, of course. She's the strongest. So, for the country, she must run. Kasi actually, si BBM at si Vice President Sara, si Presidente, magkasama silang tumakbo. Nangako sila ng unity, nangako sila ng pagbabago, pero they failed. So, both of them should be accountable for this failure.
Hindi pa mahirap kumbinsihin si VP Lenny, sir? To run?
Wala namang imposible. Everything is possible under the sun.
Possible running major.
Okay, no.
Wala. Possible running major ni VP Lenny.
Wala pa nga. Hindi pa nga napag-uusapan. Tatakbo, hindi masyado.
Yung usaping ba Aquino sa Caris Hontiveros, under United Opposition?
Well, yun nga ang kinoconsider ng opposition. Maraming pangalan ang kinoconsider. Pero ako, as far as I'm concerned, the strongest candidate na may chance to beat the Vice President Sara is Vice President Lenny.